Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Save Earth. In this essay, I have covered all the important points about this particular topic in 10 easy, simple and precise lines. If you find this video helpful, do like this video, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Save Earth. First line is Earth is our home. Second line is it provides us with all that we require to survive. Third line is the oxygen we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we consume all come from Earth. Fourth line is but our home is in danger. Fifth line is it is suffering a lot due to pollution, rapid urbanization, and reckless exploitation. Sixth line is we need to take good care of our planet. Seventh line is small things such as planting trees, using less plastic, and conserving water can do a lot. What is your best way to save your Mother Earth? Let us know in the comment section below. Eighth line is, if we all contribute, we can maintain the health of the earth. Ninth line is, our planet provides us with life, so we need to safeguard it. Last line is, together we all can save Earth today for a better tomorrow.